Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. And I will go to that site in just a moment. But a pro tip is actually block out time in your calendar to complete these things. So put in a 30-minute block, or maybe it's 2 or 3 times a week. You're going to have to do 30-minute blocks to clean up your desktop, your files and your folders and deleting stuff. So here, make this a little bit bigger. You can see Tracy's already typing something.
Yeah, lots of people hopping on.
And so all you have to do is to go down here at the bottom and click on a sticky note. And then it should just pop the sticky note onto the canvas, and then you can start typing. Is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there are lots more information about the digital toolkit, and if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis, and that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching. So instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.